TCL C755 versus Sony X90L series. So let's start with TCL C755. So it is TCL's QD Mini LED 4K TV aimed at gamers and bright room viewers. So let's talk about the pros and cons. So for the pros, it offers a high brightness plus a strong HDR, which is up to 1600 nits. It has a lots of dimming zones. It offers color accuracy and gamut. It is gaming-friendly hardware, offers up to 144Hz refresh rate with VRR and a lot of HDMI imports, and it has a rich feature like Google TV. The cons is though, the VA panel has some narrower angles, and even though high brightness with many dimming zones, it can still get darker and still be gloomy and light bleed. And there are some potential price premium for the higher specs as well, which can get expensive. And in some cases, the full features are not available on the lower models. Sony X90L on the other hand is a standard LED, but with full array local dimming. Sony's image processing, good HDR, and strong gaming features. So for the pros, it offers excellent picture processing. It has a strong brightness for a non-mini LED set, and there are some gaming features like up to 4K, 120Hz. And the design and build are very sleek for the design with an adjustable stand and solid smart platform. In the cons is though, there are fewer local dimming zones and only two HDMI 2.1 ports. And the input lag is good but not class leading. And as a LED is not a mini LED and in very bright or very dark scenes, the environmental lighting and blooming will impact the performance of the contrast more. So overall, choose TCL C755 if you prioritize HDR brightness and gaming features, and choose Sony X90L if you want and care more about the overall image refinement, better upscaling, and more reliable software.